Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable countertop dishwashers, the Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher and the Hermitlux Portable Mini Dishwasher. In today's video, we'll delve into their features, comparing their washing programs, energy efficiency, and overall performance. The Hermitlux model boasts 7 washing programs and a built-in water tank, while the Hermitlux model offers 4 cleaning modes and a unique bucket absorption feature. Join us as we uncover which dishwasher is the best choice for your kitchen needs. Let's start with the price. The Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher is priced at $374, while the Hermitlux Portable Dishwasher is slightly cheaper at $359. This price difference could be a deciding factor for budget-conscious consumers looking for a portable dishwasher. Next, let's look at the washing programs. The Hermitlux offers 7 different washing programs, including options for delicate glassware and self-cleaning. In contrast, the Hermitlux model provides only 4 washing modes. If versatility in washing options is important to you, the Hermitlux may be the better choice. Finally, let's discuss energy efficiency. The Hermitlux uses only 0.38 kilowatt-hours per cycle, making it significantly more energy efficient than the Hermitlux, which consumes 0.6 kilowatt-hours. For those looking to save on energy bills, the Hermitlux is the clear winner in this category. In conclusion, both the Hermitlux and Hermitlux portable dishwashers have their strengths. The Hermitlux stands out with its extensive washing programs and energy efficiency, while the Hermitlux offers a more budget-friendly option with unique features for portability. Depending on your needs, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.